is often said that Mumbai has a good public transport with suburban rail network and also the iconic BEST buses which form an integral part in the commuters' daily mode of transport. Of course, BEST buses carry 30 lakh passengers on a daily basis, and once upon a time it was considered as a lifeline of Mumbai.
But this quintessential Mumbai bus service is caught in an existential crisis. It is running into losses of 2,000 crore rupees every year. With a little over 3,500 buses, BEST now carries around 28 to 30 lakh passengers daily, which is a sharp drop from its glory days. In 2012, BEST would ply 43 lakh passengers on a daily basis. Experts believe that poor management, lack of innovative ideas to revamp buses, and most importantly, no support of funds from the Mumbai civic body BMC or the state government has left BEST in a state of disarray. The extent of trouble became clear when more than 42,000 BEST workers were not paid salaries for 2 months. And BEST went on to scrap more than 266 AC buses out of a fleet of 299 to curb losses.
BEST has been reasonably conservative in their attitudes, not very innovative, but they have been serving nook and corner of the city. It is also a matter of government of Maharashtra and municipal corporation wanting that public transport comes into proper shape. When you provide dedicated lanes, only buses move in that dedicated lane, and thereby they keep up to the timing. If they keep up to the timing, then people will start boarding these buses. So that is one part. When people start boarding these buses, they pay their fare, and once they pay their fare, BEST's inflow of revenue starts coming in.
Meanwhile, commuters too lament the deadline.
और कभी-कभी बारिश के टाइम में गर्दी होता है तभी खाली प्रॉब्लम होता है 10-15 मिनट इधर उधर होता है। प्रॉब्लम तो पब्लिक का ही है ना, ये पब्लिक के लिए बस सेवा नहीं, उनके लिए बस सेवा है।
नहीं, आपने बोला टाइम भी नहीं आता।
टाइम पे आता है क्या? पूछो ना पब्लिक ने कभी गाड़ी टाइम पे आई क्या? नहीं तो 10-10 रुपये आलोचन करता है। अभी कोई बाहर आता है क्या बताने के लिए? पूछो पब्लिक को कभी गाड़ी टाइम से आई क्या? टाइम से गाड़ी पब्लिक को पूछो ना।
बहुत प्रॉब्लम आता है, एक तो जल्दी बस नहीं आता है, 15-15, 20-20 मिनट पर बस आता है, कभी आधे घंटे पे आता है, कोई भरोसा नहीं रहता।
अच्छा है,
बस आई है,
पहले तो इससे भी वर्स्ट कंडीशंस में होते थे, तो अभी तो ठीक है।
If railways can transport people on a subsidized basis from distant suburbs which are not within the civic limits of Mumbai to keep its economic engine humming, there is no reason for the BEST to look for another model. It has to understand that the richest civic body in the country has to provide that lifeline. Mirana report.